never toy with me. Royal from the crown to my fucking feet. They say talk that talk, walk but please avoid the streets. Lock the jaw, lock the door.
Hi baddies, welcome back to my channel. It's ℎ𝕁𝕁𝕐 here and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me and my makeup. This look is so cute. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm a bad bitch, like, for real. Like, we're bad bitches. Like, we're real life baddies. Like, do you see his face? Baddie material. Like, the material. Okay, period. But yes, I'm just going to showcase you guys this look, this hair look, and this makeup look. I hope you guys are excited to look at this video as I was so excited to record it. I'm so happy that I'm back recording now. I feel purposeful. I feel like I have something to do. I have something to look forward to, and I'm super happy that I'm back on YouTube. I promise I will have a life update for you guys when I film that video, but for now we're gonna focus on pushing out this content. Again, if you haven't watched my last videos, please go watch my last videos as it has the details to this hair. This is Unice hair. Click the link in the description to my other videos to get the full deets on this. But again guys, I am super excited for you guys to watch this video. I truly hope you like this look, and if you're ready for me to transform into a baddie, go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty y'all, so I already went off camera to do my eyebrows. They look okay. I'm not 100% satisfied with them, but they look okay. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids so we can get some shadow on our lids. Alrighty y'all, so now that I have my eyelids primed, I'm going to go ahead and take the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I am going to go in with the color Secret. I really love this color as a transition shade or to like darken up my crease. So I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into Secret, and I'm just going to start blending. I'm going to start blending this all over my eye. So it's like I'm just placing it all over my eye. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drag it out as well. You know, trying to give it a nice cute little shape, like a winged shape. So I'm just going to create that shape with this color. I brought y'all in a little bit closer so y'all could see what's going on here. So I'm just creating that shape, just creating that beautiful shape. On this side it's a little patchy, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together. And I think it's due to like one of my eyebrows being longer than the other. You see it's kind of patchy here, but it's okay. It really does not matter. And I'm just going to keep making that shape. Then I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm going to go in with Alert to blend out this brown that we just placed on our lid. So I'm just using that to blend that color out. to do is I'm gonna take my P. Louise base and I'm going to just put like a dollop like on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to attempt to cut my crease out with this brush. So wish me luck, y'all, because so I'm just going to take this, I'm going to smear it just a little bit, and then I'm going to make that shape. Y'all, so I have cut my little crease like I cut my little crease or whatever. So now I'm going to take Juvia's Place the Taupes palette, and I am going to use this color right here, and I'm going to put that on my lids. Like, y'all, like, I'm proud of my little creasy crease, my little creasy crease. Y'all, I'm stupid proud of myself. Like, what? I'm really loving my eyeshadow. I'm so proud of me. I'm so proud of me. I'm gonna leave the eyes alone because I'm on a good streak here. I don't want to mess up my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to complexion. So first I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And I'm just going to put some on my hand and go ahead and moisturize my face, replenish, as they say, because this is the replenishing primer. I'm also going to take my Lorac Glass Skin Primer, and I'm just going to put that on my nose. And then spread that everywhere. So now that the calamine lotion is dry, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This is in the color 500C. And I'm just going to squirt some on my hand, take a flat makeup brush, and just... So I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm just going to paint my face. I'm going to go ahead and take another pump of foundation and just paint my face. Like, I know this isn't like the best technique, but I like doing that with this foundation. Like, I truly do. Truly do. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Total Sponge beauty blender. I love this beauty blender. And now I'm just going to blend that foundation all over my face. I have my foundation on. I'm going to take my Holy Grail concealers, honey. I'm going to take my Holy Grail concealers. These are the e.l.f. concealers. This is the 16-hour camo concealer. I have the colors Deep Cinnamon and Deep Chestnut. So I'm going to take Deep Chestnut. It's a lighter color than Deep Cinnamon. And I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye. Going to put this is Deep Chestnut, putting that in the corner. I'm going to take Deep Cinnamon and I'm going to put that on the bottom of Deep Chestnut. I'm going to go ahead and carve out my nose. Add highlighter in all the places needed. I'm also going to be taking ℓ𝕁 Makeup Perfection Multi-Use Concealer. It is super full coverage. I get it from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to use that to contour today. Now that I have everything in place, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour, and then I'm going to blend out my concealer. I like for my concealer to sit a little bit so it can become tacky and we can get that full coverage. So now that I have my concealer and my contour blend out, I'm going to go ahead and take my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer. to take my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in Mocha Mami, and I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and I'm going to brighten up my under eye with to take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation Powder, and I'm just going to brush this powder off my face also while setting my face. So I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, the one that I used earlier on my eyes. And I'm actually going to take the color Alert. I'm going to put Alert on my cheek. I went ahead and put on my lashes, did some bottom lashes, you know, put my mold back on my face. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. You know, we drown ourselves in the continuous mist, honey. So what I do for my lips, a little trick, is I'm going to take that same concealer that we use for contour, and I'm going to use that to line my lips. Because, baby, I can't never find the right brown, honestly. Then I'm going to take my Huda Beauty concealer, because I never wear it because it's too light. And I'm going to just... Then I'm going to top it off with my e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in Peach Bellini. It's stupid pretty. Pretty as fuck, y'all. Like, we pretty as fuck. Period.